Eternal Force Blizzard. Any enemy dies. This is by far the most overpowered spell. You can kill anything with this, no matter who they are. Everybody will apparently die. That's what it says in the description. It's a master level spell. That is also the most expensive spell by far. It costs almost 1500 mana. So you probably have to be level 100 or higher, or I don't know what level you have to be to even get that much mana first place. And let's see, I have the cheats obviously included, that's why I have so much mana, but we're gonna see what it actually does. It has its own special animation, I'm guessing. Okay, so it's not too long to cost. Okay, so you can really change your aim once you initially use the aim. I probably missed it. No, I did not miss it. Alright, so that's it, he just died. He was just one-shotted and that's it, he died. So the time slows down and yep, they all die. Everything dies in the area, I guess. That is so overpowered. That would be like if you're fighting like powerful dragons with mods and stuff, and so you can just probably one-shot all of them. So yeah, by far the most overpowering spell and the entirety of this mod collection of the Colorful Magicka is this Eternal Force Blizzard. Quite overpowered.